Okay, so what we have here is an example of a product that we make for our customer that is Lissmac before being sent to a customer. It's important for this piece of equipment to have nice smooth edges because of having to get under here and clean under these belts with all, we get products stacked up under here. So it's really important that it's not sharp for the people operating and cleaning the equipment. We also have certain windows within this equipment for our service techs to be able to get their hand in here and fix or adjust things with the conveyor belt. So they need to be able to get in here and not cut their hands up, not worry about it. There's not a sharp edge on this entire part because it was Lissmac prior before using it. All of our equipment is this way. It adds extreme value to our product, and it's a lot safer for everybody else involved in using this piece of equipment day in and day out.